Sorry, look. I found this USB drive on the floor near the printer.
Don't plug it in, John. We don't know where it came from.
But maybe it belongs to someone here. It could have important files.
It could also have a virus. Company rules say we report it to IT first.
You're right. I forgot about that rule. What do we do?
We call the IT help desk. They check it on a safe computer.
Good idea. Do you have the number?
Yes, extension 214. I'll call them now.
Thank you. I almost made a big mistake.
It happens. That's why we have security rules.
Hello, IT help desk? We found a USB drive in the office. Can someone come check it?
Good job, John. The IT team will handle it safely.
I learned something today. Never plug in an unknown device.
Exactly. Security is everyone's responsibility.